Hello! In this lesson, we will study zero, first, and second conditionals. Let's go! Did you know what conditionals are? Conditional sentences express real and predictable results as well as unlikely situations. Most of them represent a cause-effect state. The conditionals are divided into two clauses, the main or result clause plus the subordinate or if clause. Notice that you can also write the subordinate or if clause at the beginning of the sentence and the main or result clause at the end. These sentences can express situations in the future, present, and past according to the tenses used. We use a comma to separate the clauses when the if clause goes first. For example, if I win the promotion, comma, I will start my dream business. I will start my dream business if I win the promotion. Remember, if you start the sentence with the if clause, you have to add a comma to divide both clauses. Now, let's study the zero conditional. We use the zero conditional to describe facts, when the result will always happen. We form the zero conditional by using the simple present in both the main clause and the subordinate clause. Let's see some examples about the zero conditional. You get fired if you miss work. If you buy one product, notice the comma, you receive two. Also notice that both clauses are using the simple present tense. The first conditional. We use the first conditional to show future time conditions or prediction. It also expresses cause-effect relationships. We form the first conditional by using the future tenses be going to or will in the main clause and the simple present or present progressive in the subordinate clause. Let's see some examples. We are going to receive a raise next year if we work hard. The company will increase productivity if we hire more personnel. And finally, the second conditional. The second conditional shows future conditions or predictions and also expresses that the action is unlikely to happen. We use would plus the simple form of the verb in the main clause and the simple past tense in the subordinate clause. Let's see the examples. We would open our own business if we had enough money. If Marcos were the manager, he would give a raise to all of the employees. You may be wondering why where? Well, because in the second conditional, we are allowed to use where in all of the subjects. I, you, we, they, she, he, or it. So remember that. Thank you so much for your attention. You did an awesome job.